Okay, so for our presentation, we decided to cover the topic of stereotype threats through an article that we found called Educational Tracking, a Field Experiment in Chinese Vocational High Schools. The authors of this article are James Chu, Prashant Loyalka, Gurong Li, Leah Gao, and Yao Song. So for each of these authors, we created a little biography. So for the first author, James Chu, he was a PhD candidate in the Department of Sociology at Stanford University. He focused his research on creating new distinctions between statuses and how pursuing a status creates a drive and patterns of things like discrimination, aggression, and overwork in educational settings. And he also managed randomized control trials prior to attending graduate school. The next author, Prashant Loyalka, he was an assistant professor in research at the Graduate School of Education. He was also a center research fellow at the Freeman Spogli Institute for International Studies at Stanford University. And he focused his research on inequalities among the education system for youth. And that research helps to understand and improve the quality of education given to the youth in large developing economies, which include places like China, Russia, and India. The next author, Gurong Li, he was a professor in the School of Education of Henan University in Kaifeng, Henan Province, China. And his research interests are educational economics theory, efficient allocation of education resources, evaluation of teacher, and student development. The next author is Leah Gao. She was a postgraduate student at Henan University, Kaifeng, in Henan Province, China. She is majoring there in educational economics and management. And the last author is Yao Song. He was an associate professor in the School of Education of Henan University in Kaifeng, Henan Province, China as well. And he focused his research on his interest in the evaluation of educational policy. And in this slide below is our APA citation of the article and the names of each individual in our group.